You freeze in the middle of a simple sentence. Your mind goes blank. Everyone is waiting, and you wish the floor would swallow you. If this has ever happened to you, stay with me. The next few minutes can change how you speak English forever. In this video, you will learn 20 modern English idioms that real people use in daily life. Not textbook English, not boring English. Real expressions that make you sound natural, confident, and fluent. One of these idioms helped me speak better even when I was nervous. And when you hear it, you'll say, "That's me." Let's begin. First idiom, ghosting your own goals. It means you ignore what you promised yourself. For example, I ghosted my own goals this weekend and did nothing. Second, phone eating my brain. It means your phone is taking over your attention. For example, my phone is eating my brain. I can't stop scrolling. Third, vibes on do not disturb. It means you are not in the mood to talk to anyone. For example, today my vibes are on do not disturb. And be honest with yourself. How many times have you felt tired, even after sleeping? Here comes the next one. Charging in progress, but never full. It means you rest, but you still feel tired. For example, I slept 8 hours but I'm still charging in progress. Next, mind in offline mode. It means you are physically present but mentally gone. For example, sorry, my mind went offline during that meeting. And this one hurts. Procrastination loading. It means you keep delaying your work. For example, procrastination loading. I still haven't started. Now listen carefully. Energy bar at 1%. It means you have almost no energy left. For example, after work, my energy bar is at 1%. Right now, are you feeling mentally offline, or is your energy at 1%? Just think about it. Next idiom, scrolling autopilot. It means using your phone without even thinking. For example, I went on scrolling autopilot for 2 hours. Now this one is powerful. Dreams in draft mode. It means you have big plans but no action. For example, my dreams are still in draft mode. And when your brain feels slow, brain buffering, it means your mind is lagging. For example, ask me again, my brain is buffering. By the end of the week, most people feel this one. Running on fumes. It means you are continuing with no energy left. For example, by Friday, everyone is running on fumes. Now this is very real. Notifications fried my focus. It means phone alerts destroyed your concentration. For example, notifications fried my focus while studying. And here comes the one that explains lazy mornings. Motivation on vacation. It means you have no drive to do anything. For example, my motivation is on vacation today. You open your laptop. You look at your work. You close it after 5 minutes. That is motivation on vacation. Next, soul on 5%. It means you feel emotionally drained. For example, after that week, my soul is on 5%. And when life gives you too much work. Task tab crashing. It means your brain feels overloaded. For example, too many tasks. My brain tab is crashing. Almost there. Stay with me. Daydream Wi-Fi week. It means you are too tired to even imagine things. For example, my daydream Wi-Fi is weak today. Focus in grayscale. It means everything feels dull and boring. For example, today my focus is in grayscale. Hitting refresh on life. It means waiting for change without taking action. For example, I keep hitting refresh on life instead of changing it. 2 more. Battery saving mode activated. It means you are doing the minimum to survive. For example, it's Sunday. Battery saving mode activated. And the last one, thoughts in incognito. It means you are hiding your real feelings. For example, my thoughts are in incognito right now. Now pause for 1 second. Say this sentence out loud. My brain is buffering, but I will answer. If you can say it smoothly, your speaking is improving. You just learned 20 expressions that real people use in daily life. Here is a small learning secret. If you type your favorite idiom from this video in the comments right now, your brain will remember it longer. It's a simple memory trick. So comment your favorite idiom below. I read every single one. And if you truly want to stop sounding basic and start speaking confident English, like this video. Subscribe to Abhishek Yadav. You are closer to fluent English than you think.